Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a tutorial on a look that was requested by my cuñada. So Jackie, this one's for you. This is a look that I posted on my Instagram a while ago, maybe like a week or two ago. And yeah, she wanted me to recreate it or do a tutorial for you. And yeah, it is super simple. It is just gonna be a winged out pink look with a neon green in the inner corner. So that is a look we're doing today. I went ahead and primed already with my favorite primer, of course, the elf, what is it, putty primer? Yeah, that one. And then I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Foundation. I just recommended this foundation to one of my really good friends. She was looking for a foundation for dry skin, and I have really dry skin, and this is one of my favorite foundations of all time. So I told her to try this one out. Paola, if you're watching this, let me know if you like the foundation. And yeah, this is one of my favorites because it is a medium to full coverage. It's not thick and cakey. It's really lightweight, so it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. And here I have already done one eye, just so we could kind of get the process going a little bit faster, keep the ball rolling. Yeah, this is the look that I am doing. It is super simple, guys. The only thing is that it does require quite a bit of blending, but it's nothing too difficult. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe 35H Hotspot palette, and I'm going to take a super flat, this isn't a pencil brush, it's just like an eyeliner brush, I guess. Super flat brush, and then I was taking those two pinkish reddish shades in the palette, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place that on my waterline, and then I'm gonna wing it out. This is so that it gives me kind of like a guideline of where I want to drag out the eyeshadow and like how far I want to go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep building that up. Just keep running that shadow back and forth with that pencil. And then I'm just gonna keep checking my other eye just to make sure that they're symmetrical. Now, taking that dark shade in that palette, and I'm taking this fluffy pencil brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and stamp that on the outer corner of my eye. Now, with this dark shade, I wanted to be super precise with it, so I was going in little by little, and then I'm just gonna slowly build up the pigment and the color in that shadow. And as you can see, I just keep referencing back to the other eye, that way I get them to look the same. And the brush that I'm using is actually one of the ones that I bought from Shein. I mentioned this in my last Shein haul, I think it was. But yeah, I really love these brushes, guys. They're really good quality, and they're super cheap. Now with that same brush, I went in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards palette, and I took the pink in that eyeshadow palette. I think it's called Texas Made. And like I said, with that same brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and also focus that on the outer corner, I'm sorry, to blend out that dark shade a little bit. And then with an even fluffier brush, this is a Sonia Kashuk brush, I'm gonna go ahead and really blend out that shadow to the bottom of my eyebrow. So you really want to diffuse it all the way up there. That way you get a really nice gradient look. And don't be scared to pull it all the way to almost like your temple area. Now with a really flat brush, I'm gonna go ahead and pack on that darker shade on the outer corner, just to really give this look more definition and just to really deepen things up. Now this look is a look that I recreated by one of my favorite makeup artists. Her name is Staceymarie. I don't know if you guys know this, but she actually came out with a whole ass palette with Be Perfect Cosmetics. I think that's what the name is. Yeah. But this palette like went viral. She's like really well known in the UK. So yeah, she's super talented, guys. Check her out if you guys haven't done so yet, or if you guys don't know who she is. She's one of my favorites. So now I'm going in with the black in the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And with that same first fluffy brush that we used to stamp on that dark shade, I went ahead and picked up a tiny, tiny bit of the black. And also, I'm just using it to do the same thing, stamping it on the outer corner just to deepen this look up. And I'm going to keep going back and forth with that super fluffy Sonia Kashuk brush just to really blow things out and smoke everything out. Now, here I am going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and I am taking a ColourPop fluffy brush and taking the neon green yellow shade in that palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to the inner corner. This green is the prettiest neon color I have ever seen. I'm not a big fan of neon, but lately I've been obsessed with placing this color in my inner corner. I did another look similar to this, but I used different shades. I did like an orange and brown kind of situation, and I also placed that neon shade in the inner corner, and oh my god, guys, I am in love with it. It is such a beautiful color. I love it so much. So now, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and take a like super thin brush. This I think is like an eyebrow brush, but I'm gonna take a dark brown shade and just run that shade to my inner corner to give me that cat eye / fox eye look that everyone has been obsessed with lately. And then lastly, I'm gonna go in with my Wander Beauty Mile High Club mascara and just apply that to my bottom lashes. And that is basically it for this look, guys. I went ahead and did all of my other makeup off camera, my lips, my highlight, concealer, all of that. I did everything off camera. So yeah, let me know if you guys like this look, and if you recreate it, please tag me. I want to see what you guys come up with. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.